Namaste Bharat, I am DC Raghuwar from Chitra Cars. Happy driving, safe driving. Hope everyone are at good health. Let's fasten our seatbelt for this video of Monday Bites from Chitra Cars. This is the continuation of the previous video on airbags. We have known what material it is made. Today we are talking about how the airbags, when it is a crash, how airbags open up. Under the hood at the tire you have sensors connected with ECU to the steering. Here also you have a sensor, and when there is a crash, when there is a collision with some speed, then the sensor sends through the ECU to the sensor here, and the airbag inflates in 10 to 15 milliseconds with a speed of 200 to 300 kilometers per hour. The reaction is a chemical reaction. Sodium nitrate and ammonia nitrate reacts with that, generate nitrogen gas, and the airbag inflates. The minute it inflates, so you are safe in a box, safe in a pillow. But immediately after you hit the pillow or the airbag, it deflates. Why it deflates is there are small holes at the back of the airbags, at the side or in the pillow or in the seats. There are small holes at the airbag, so that deflates. So the reason when it deflates, so you are safe in a pillow and you will not have suffocation. If the pillow with comes speed and it is fixed like this, you will have suffocation. So when it deflates, you will feel comfortable. And whenever you have seen a car with airbag open, you will see light white powder in the car. That is all nothing but chemical reaction. So this is how the function of airbag opens for our safety and for the passenger safety. Whenever you plan to buy a new car or a pre-owned car, just call Chitra Cars. And if you are liking this video, please subscribe the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, and if you doesn't like the video, please write your comments and dislike, and as well please subscribe the channel and make sure you enjoy more videos. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think Chitra Cars. Thank you.